Hi kittens, and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so today we're going to be actually making a delicious turkey chili recipe. Now, I'm going to list all the ingredients in the beginning of the video just in case people want to go out and shop for it. Now, I'm telling you guys right now, I am known for this recipe and all my friends make my turkey chili recipe. It's not like a spicy chili because again, I don't like spice, but I put in the description that you could add like ghost pepper if you want to get crazy, a habanero. Now, this recipe is so good. You can use it at a party. If you don't know what to get somebody for their wedding, chili. If you want to get a man, chili. It's literally the perfect recipe, okay? I cannot wait for you guys to try this, and let's go. Okay guys, so we are gonna break down a 1 red onion. Now, you are more than welcome to use a yellow onion. I just like the sweetness that comes out of the red onion. Okay, so I got this ghetto-ass pot, and I'm going to just simply put 1 tablespoon or teaspoon actually of olive oil. So you're just gonna go ahead and add in your onions. Oh, yeah, beautiful. I'm just gonna mix this around, and as soon as the onion gets brown and broken down, you're gonna know when to put the turkey. So I'm just gonna keep on stirring this, and I'll check back when it's done. As you guys can tell, the onions are nice and browned. You want to make sure that they are nice and caramelized. You don't want to skip this step. Put everything in the pot and just, it's done. There's not a lot of prep time. So right at this point, if you guys could tell, the turkey meat is nice and brown, but look at all that fat that comes out of it. You want to push all the turkey meat to one side, and look, that's all the fat that comes out of it. I usually go to the sink and I drain it out with the spoon. I just like, you know, throw it into the sink. That's an important step. You do not need that. It's actually going to alter the taste of your chili, okay? So I drained all the fat, and you kind of want to bring your pot down to about medium-high at this point. Add the corn. I use black bean and white bean. You can use whatever beans you guys prefer. I put them in a strainer. I drain them. I wash them off a little bit, you know, getting rid of all that sodium, and just simply dump it right into your pot. Now you have these babies working nice and beautifully with your ground turkey. Okay, take a look at that. Look how beautiful it looks. Okay, and then at this time you want to add 1 entire can of Trader Joe's sauce. So we are going to start the seasoning process. Now, chili needs a lot of seasoning. Alright guys, so look at all of that seasoning that I'm going to mix in. I'm telling you, you need that seasoning. That's what's going to give that chili that nice smoky heat. I find that the ketchup, 1, 2, 3, makes the biggest difference. Don't go heavy with the mustard because it will alter the taste. The ketchup, what it does, it basically allows for like that caramelization because the sugar content in the ketchup. Hi guys. Okay, so today was super easy, which I'm excited about because I love making like one pot meals, and I love when meals are just super easy. You could just bang them out. Yummy! Okay, let's try. Oh. Oh my god, it's so good. It is All right, I'm back. Wow. Guys. Okay, hold on. One bite, everybody knows the rules. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay. So the first thing that hits you, honestly, BRB. You know what's crazy? You know when people say when you're cooking like with love, like the taste alters, like the food alters, like and I feel like ever since I started cooking for you guys, my food has been even better than normal. And that's been making me like really excited because it obviously shows that like I love this, I love cooking, and I don't know, I love entertaining you guys if you like my shit. My best friend Nicole, hi David, hi Anna. They basically make this chili recipe all the time. Her daughter's 5 and David I think is 11. So kids approved, guys. The kids absolutely love this recipe. So I'm gonna take one more bite. I should just turn this into a mukbang. Okay. You guys ready for 4 hugs? 4 hugs? Yes, you are. 1, 2, 3. I tried to switch it up, it didn't work. And last one is really tight. I love you guys so much. Comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you want. And I'll see you on the next time with Cooking with Hugs. Mwah! I love you guys. Bye.